Can you see yourself in the 2022 Kia Rio? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Get the modern features you're looking for at an excellent value in this streamlined Rio. This comfortable subcompact delivers sprightly performance, connective infotainment, a refined interior, and stylish practicality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control. Quality, comfort, and practicality come together beautifully in this handy Rio. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.